What's going on, guys? It's Timmsy here, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to make nice looking text in Photoshop in under 5 minutes. So first of all, you're going to want to open Photoshop. I'm currently using Photoshop CC 2019. You want to click Create New, size to load. Set the width of the document to 599 pixels, set the height to 399 pixels, and set the background colors or contents to white. Then click Create. So what we want to do is click as close to the center of the document as possible, type in the text that you'd like to use, change the font size if you need to, change the font if you need to, which in this case I'm not going to. Now what you need to do is make sure that this option is set to none and the color is set to white. Now you're going to want to select the layer, click the FX tool and select blending options. I've not done that, but you want to select blending options at the top. Now what you want to make sure is that you have two stroke layers, a gradient overlay and a pattern overlay. You're going to want to start on the gradient overlay, and you're going to want to select whatever gradient that you have. You can make one in the bar, but I have a load of gradients that I've created myself, and I'm going to use a nice pastel red gradient. What you also want to do is select the darkest shade in the gradient and copy that hex code. Click OK. Make sure multiply is blend mode is set to multiply. Make sure everything else is kind of set to this. And then what you want to do is go to pattern overlay, select the pattern that you'd like to use. If you guys are interested, I can provide a graphics pattern pack with all these patterns in it. I can export it out and send it to you guys, but that's your choice. You're going to want to select blend mode to multiply and the opacity set to 10%. What you're also going to want to do is go to your first stroke layer, make sure the size is set to 2, the position is set to outside, the blend mode is set to normal, and the color is set to white. You're also going to select your second blend mode, make sure the size is set to 4, the position is set to outside, the blend mode is set to normal, and the color is set to, you want to select the color, enter in the hex code for your darkest shade, and then just tone it down to another dark shade. And then copy that hex code because we'll need it later. Right, and now you want to duplicate this layer. Duplicate. You want to right click, select rasterize layer style. You want to set this to color overlay and overlay the hex code that you copied previously for the dark outline. You want to move this layer below your normal text layer, then using the arrow keys on your keyboard with the move tool selected, you want to move it 2 pixels down, 1, 2, and 2 pixels to the left, 1, 2. Now you can see we've got this nice text here, but we've now got a white background. You might be wondering, how do we get rid of this background easily? You simply create a new layer, delete this background layer, go to image at the top, select trim, make sure it's based on transparent pixels and you trim away top, bottom, left and right, you click OK, and then that's it. We've got nice text created in under 5 minutes in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like. If it helped you, then please subscribe. There'll be more tutorials soon. But yes, thank you guys for watching. This has been Timmsy. Peace.